Hello, my mermaids and bongo boys. My name is Sponge Drew, and welcome back to another video. I am back once again to deliver you all another amazing video. I know it's been, a hot minute since, my last video I made. I told, I've been, busy, and I, haven't really been coming up, ideas for this channel, but, I can always come up something, even if I have to go stop by, Five Below and get a small little SpongeBob product review it. I might consider doing that. But you guys seem to really like these, drawing tutorials that I've, been posting for a while. But, not really, but. So I decided to, make another one for you guys. This time, I'm going to be showing you, the easiest way to draw a male body torso for, your male characters and whatnot. And, female and, other body types. I will do that in a future video. But we're just gonna, go at this, step by step, little by little to get you the ideal of, how to draw it. So first, what you want to do is that you want to start off by, drawing like a line, kind of like this. Drawing one like this as well. Kind of like a T shape in a way. If I can. There we go. Next, what you want to do, make kind of like a trapezoid shape, just like this, on both sides. Mine's not going to be, perfect, but you can always, modify and whatnot. So yeah, kind of like something like this, and then you want to make a kind of like square shape on top. This is going to be for neck, and it kind of looks like a spray bottle. This is really what's called the spray bottle method. Didn't know that, so let's draw some lines. So that's the next step, and then draw them like this. Okay, let's make a line, actually, kind of like even it out. So yeah, there you go. It's basically kind of like the baseline for your body. Again, it's kind of like a, spray bottle and whatnot. Next, we're gonna add, some more shapes. This is gonna be for the traps right here, and we're gonna draw like the pecs, so make some lines like so, do that like so, it's like there, kind of connect them just like that. Next, make some lines like this, kind of like for the shoulder area. Actually, make that a little better. There we go. These are going to be kind of like connected to the arms like this. There we go. Make some lines right here to the body. And we're gonna draw kind of like the abs right here. So when I see people draw abs, they don't draw the correct way. So an easy way to do this is just kind of like this. And it's very important to have this line right here, because abs aren't, straight. They kind of curve down very much like this. And realistically, when you get all muscular, there are 6 total abs, and for some reason, some people add so many more, which looks very unrealistic. Don't know why they do that, but yeah, that's kind of your overall, sketch base right there. Now to add, the finishing touches and the details, let's actually zoom in that. Next, you want to lightly erase the guidelines till they're, just barely visible. Let's do that. And there you, as you can see, I don't know if you get, I'm looking on camera right now, it's just barely visible. So first, we're gonna start off with the neck. So you make these lines, just like so. This, kind of make it like a 3D cylinder shape. The head's gonna connect. Let's do like the pecs, just like so. Do it just like that. Let's fix that real quick. There we go. Some lines right here. At the nipples, just like so. Line just like that. And kind of like the collarbone. Right here. And there you go. Next we're going to draw kind of like the arms right here. I know there's not a whole lot of commentary going on, but when you're drawing, like just drawing in general, it takes, some patience to do. Very tedious. And also, I've been using lead pencils, which in my opinion are probably, way better than, like normal pencils. Okay, so let's draw the rest of the arms right here. Let's fix this up. So, of course I'll do more tutorials in the future, like arms and legs and whatnot. But as like I said, in the future, I'm still, like learning more about anatomy, as I go on. So add some details kind of like this. There we go. Connect the body just like that. Like so. Right, let's draw the abs. Just like this. Again, mine's not going to be, it's not going to be perfect, but, it's going to be, good enough for this, short tutorial right here. You can always practice in your free time, whenever you do so. That's like the belly button right here. More detail like this. Now let's do the sporadic muscles, which, you don't know what those are. Basically these. There we go. Sides. Just like so. A little bit circular on this side. Put that on camera right there. Like, and let's add some lines right here. we go. Anything else? No. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a male torso. Now, of course, with every thing, well, let me take a water break. Like I said, you can change the overall shape of like the base that I've done, in the beginning. You can make it smaller and whatnot, which, speaking of, I have some other ones that I have right here. I did these, way beforehand, before, making this tutorial. I did these like, a couple days ago. You can see we got some ones that are a bit muscular. We got like a skinny one right here, and then we got a more, muscular, in shape body right here. So if you just change the overall, like spray bottle, shape, which is, practically what's called, you can make it, you can make it smaller, you can make it taller, you can make it wider. It really depends on like how you use it. And of course, like I said, you can use references, like make your own body types and what have you. Hopefully this was very helpful. I did, some male bodies in the past, and some of them were good, some of them weren't the best, but these right here, so far, even the one that I just did, probably are like the best ones that I've, done so far. I'm pretty proud of them. And of course, like I said, in the future, if you want me to do, like some female bodies, and bodies that are more way skinnier or chubbier, as a matter of fact, I will try my best, put those videos out and help you guys improve your art as, time goes forward. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you like what you see here and you want to see more videos where, I do tutorials on like bodies, different shapes and sizes, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button today, click that bell notification so you'll stay notified when I make new videos like these. Like the video, comment what you think of it. Was this very helpful to you? Are you struggling with male bodies? Do you want to see more tutorials like these? Let me know. Share with your friends, family, other people, and like beginner artists, like start doing bodies and what have you. And with that being said, I will see all of you in the next video. Bye bye.